guys, welcome back to another video. This is the video that I said I have been putting off for a while. We got a package from Mushroom Boyz. Now Mushroom Boyz is a local farmer. They actually they grow organic mushrooms, and they dropped off a package for us. And he also brought me something. Thank you very much, Satish. Thank you very much, Satish. I have always been wanting to try the black and white orange, and I never really got around to it. So I will put this back and I will save this for the gang. And let me show you what Satish dropped off for us. So you can check out his Instagram page. It is Mushroom Boyz. I would link everything. You can also contact him at 710-8048, or you can email him at satishmahabir566@gmail.com. Alright, I'm gonna link everything still. So we got 3 packages of mushrooms, a 1-pound portobello, white button, and portobello as well. So I am going to be completely honest, I have never cooked mushrooms before. From scratch, we always accustomed buying the canned stuff and adding it to pilaus and all those other fancy stuff. So today I'm going to be doing something quite different. I am going to be cooking this, how we say, Ian, is a buttered garlic mushroom with a little bit of spice. Be sure definitely check out his Instagram page. Sorry, it is Mushroom Boyz on Instagram. I'm not sure if they have a Facebook too. They do deliveries. I would list a price. I would also put a prices on the screen. And yeah, the contact number is 710-8048. So let's get crack-a-lacking and make some mushrooms. Which one do you want to try?
To mix it.
I have my cameraman in the background, so he said to mix it. So we're gonna go 1, 2, half and half, right? Because it's just 2 of us.
Yep.
I'll just share the rest. And there's some white button. Yeah, that should be enough. These things should be showing by a second.
Yeah.
Washing my mushroom. Guys, okay, so the goal here is to make something that is very easy and that anyone can do, right? So I just added some butter to the pan, well, to the pot. And some olive oil. Okay, so in goes the mushroom. Now remember, this is a mix of the two, right? Now we're not gonna add any salt in here because I like it a little crunchy. So adding salt will just like the water and it will steam and it will just become soggy. Notice I didn't add any garlic as yet, right? Alright guys, so we could add the garlic now. This is like about 5 minutes after. See how it gets it nice and soggy. This is just so the garlic wouldn't burn. gosh, this. Now this is a wonderful vegetarian meal. You can have this over rice, you can have this over pasta, you can, like I said, put it in a wrap, you can eat it just like that. It's a good side dish. It just looks yummy. good. I could even eat this in bread. It tastes really, really good. Lors, you did well. This one. Guys, so that was it. I know this video was short, but it's just to promote Mushroom Boyz, to show you guys support local, support our local farmers. Again, he can be reached via this email address and this contact number, and also check him out on Instagram. Satish, once again, thank you so very, very much. You're getting me hooked on mushrooms. I will definitely be purchasing when my batch is finished. But guys, you can definitely try this recipe. As you can see, it is very, very easy. And how long did we take? Like about 15 minutes?
About
15 minutes. And it is pretty healthy, and it does not require a lot of ingredients. For all my vegan and vegetarian and pescatarian people out there, definitely give it a try. I would also like to say special happy birthday going out to my boy Anil Gopal. Anil, big up yourself. I know your birthday is coming up on the 3rd. Happy birthday going out to you. All the best wishes, and may you live to see many, many, many more birthdays to come. So thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe. Have a wonderful week ahead. Wear your mask. Sanitize. So guys, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to call Ian for sanitization, and we will see you guys in our next video.